So hey guys, it's Ree, but if you're new to my channel, my name's Aderiyike, but you can call me Ree. So today, I was thinking to myself, I need some new lashes. Last time I got bulk lashes, I recorded it for the YouTubes and it went off. It did really well, so I was like, I always order my bulk lashes. I ordered from a new place and I was just like, why not show you guys where I ordered from? I got, I think like a lot of pairs of lashes, so let me show you guys. So if you guys want to see what these lashes look like, let's get into the video. Let's get into the video. So I've been ordering my lashes for a couple months off of Amazon, and I'm just impatient with Aliexpress now for some reason. So I stopped ordering there a couple months ago. So these lashes I'm wearing right now are actually from Amazon. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the lashes I just received. I ordered these lashes on Saturday night, pretty late. I didn't know Amazon could do next day shipping if it was at the nighttime, but they did. So I got these lashes Saturday night, and I got them Sunday around like 8 p.m. So I'm gonna leave like the links down below because I don't know like the brands and stuff, and my phone is charging right now. So I got these lashes and these lashes. These are 4 different pairs, and I don't know how many pairs are in this. 7. Somebody's fave is on this on Instagram. I might have gave you a plug or something. So these lashes and these lashes, these are 4, so this is 7 and 11. And mind you, for my last my last try on haul, I was trying on really dramatic lashes, but these are more like wispy and fluffy, but these are 25 mm. So I'm going to take which lash? I'm gonna take, I grabbed my tweezers. So I'm gonna start off with these because these are more fun and I can't wait to get into those. So I'm gonna try on these. You guys know if it's not touching your eyebrow, you just got bamboozled. Those are not 25 mm. So this packaging is mad freaking cute, and I only paid like 15 for these 4, and I paid like 13 for these 7s. Who is Aliexpress? 1-day shipping for free. Amazon Prime. Which I feel like everyone and their mother wears these lashes. And let me make another disclaimer. My eyes are naturally low, as you can tell. They're even lower in person. Just warning you guys, I am not interested in widening my eyes. I do not want to be Little Dirk. I want to be myself. However my eyes look with these big, heavy, thick ass lashes is how I want it to look. So I don't need any advice on how to widen my eyes. At this point, I don't care. You can't see my eyes at all. You probably can't even, in real life, if you saw me, you think I'm sleepwalking. So these is hitting. These is hitting. Maybe I should zoom up for you guys. These lashes, I have like this edge sticking up, so let's just ignore it. But these lashes, oh my god, and look at the curl. I love when eyelashes curl without you curling them. Like, ooh. I might wear these today, and this was just the first pair, bitch. These, I'm gonna rate them. 1 being you suck, 3 being the best, 2 being I have to find my way around it. So these are definitely a 3, because even with my makeup now, it still looks like dramatic and long. I love it. These lashes, and mind you, these have not been cut, so it's gonna have like that extra length, but these are how they really look. These lashes are like natural. These lashes will be like the not doing too much lash. It's kind of hanging off, but I am using the Ardell Dual Lash Adhesive, so the ones I always use. But these lashes are not bad. I would have to give them like, they're cute. I feel like if I was to actually cut them, they'd be really nice. So I might have to give these lashes they get a 3. It's curly, it's not the same length, because we hate same length lashes because we are not wearing a fur coat on our eyes. Ooh, these look pretty. This is definitely, they're so long. Like, why did they make it this long? Nobody's eyes go to the back of their neck. But this is so cute. Oh my god, can you guys see? what this looks like. Sorry, my pinky, I broke it. Oh my god, these lashes are like, this is my first time trying on any of these lashes. I never reordered any of these, so this is like raw reaction. I've never worn these. These are cute. I'm pretty sure all these are gonna be 3, so I'm gonna say a 3 to this. Like, oh my god, pink pairs, these lashes. These make my eyes look so like what you trying to? Who asked all these lashes to be bangers? Like, I have to get a look for all these lashes, literally. Bangers in this already, so I'm going to try on this pair first. Oh my god, look at these lashes. What? Why are they so nice? These are legit like all bangers. Like, what is going on? What is going on? Look at this lash. This is me as fuck. Like, if me was a lash, this one is me. Oh my god. These lashes on kind of the same, but a little like thicker or something. These are definitely thinner than the last ones. They're like the less dramatic version of the ones I just tried on. These are nice, but I'd wear this with like, this looks like a no eyeshadow type lash. Like, it's simple. You can't really do too much with it. And woo, like the less dramatic version of the other one. It's dramatic, but it's not as thick. So, mixed feelings. Next are these lashes. Okay, I see what it's trying to do. It looks like it's going from thinner. It's mad freaking, anyway. It looks like these lashes are trying to go from like thinner to thicker, and I like it, kind of. I never used to like lashes that went thin to thick for some reason, because I don't like when my eyes look like a, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know, but these lashes, they aren't bad at all. They're really wispy and long. These lashes next. We have reached the dead end. I knew that all these lashes, well, these lashes aren't bad. They're really natural and thin, but I just don't like the like weirdness of like the design. It's long though. It's long and it's not split. Ooh, those lashes look nice. I don't know if I really like these. These look like they could break. As soon as I go outside with that wind, it's going to break and fly away. So these are the worst. These are the worst lashes I've tried on so far. Next we have these. This is cute. This, it makes it like fans out. This makes my eyes look so like, well, to me, because I know a lot of people see it much differently. But this is definitely cute. I don't know about these ones. In my Delta Airlines like basket, huh? I'm confused. It's a very hard no for me, dog. Last lashes I was telling you guys about. I'm pretty sure I'm wearing the one that belongs on the other eyelid, but you can see they're all the same length, and that is childish. I don't like it. Okay guys, so that concludes the eyelash try on haul from Amazon. I'm very impressed that out of 11 lashes, I like literally could wear 9 of them, and I'd be so ecstatic to wear them. 2 of them, I don't know what was going on, but I really like those lashes. So I really hope that you guys purchase these lashes from Amazon, because they're really good quality. All the bands were thick. They all have like dimension. They're fluffy. They don't look plasticky like those lashes from like the beauty supply store for like 86 cents or something, you know. But these lashes are really good quality. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below. Which one was your favorite eyelash on me? I already know what size gonna be like. Those eyelashes made your eyes look wider and brighter and whatever. I can still see, kind of. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. I'm about to wear one of those lashes to class, because of course I'm filming before class. Like, come on, it's me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.